Even though we offer a high quality TREMcrete product range, the biggest thing is our service and support on site. We'll start with the engineer and we'll talk about the environment, certain products and details, and go over drawings. Once we do come to site, we'll come to site and meet the applicator, on most cases with the engineer who specified our products from the beginning. And then once the product has been applied, if there's any issues that have arisen after the application, that's when Tremco will come out to site, provide solutions to move on to the next stage. Basically, Tremco are providing support to the engineers, the applicators and the clients. Other suppliers within this industry don't offer that service and support. At the end of the day, it's the client who pays for it, so they want the best job possible. And we don't want to come back because we don't want our products to fail. So if they apply correctly the first time with the 3 key steps, surface prep, application and curing, very high chance we won't be coming back to the job.